So this is preparation to cook white ugali. It is a Kenya elite meal. OMAD, 1 meal a day. OMAD. You know the meaning of OMAD? It's 1 meal a day. OMAD. Kule mara moja kwa siku. Just have 1 main meal on a time of your choice, and that is it. Till the following day of the same time. That's fantastic. Which one do you prefer? You prefer OMAD, or you can go still the Western way of 3 meals a day? Breakfast, you have lunch, then you have dinner or supper. This one here is ready. There you have it. White ugali. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm full. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get videos when I drop them. Check me next. Bye bye. Wow.